Hey Dylan, this is Rick. Here's the Gtr Alpha 7. You can Google the package. I tried to put a description online, but they wouldn't let me of what the Alpha 7 is. Car's in pristine condition. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up like you had mentioned. You want to see the gauges, but there are some other gauges I'm going to show you too in just a moment. How well you know these GTRs, but set up different gauges. Fuel economy, who cares, right? I'm kidding. This is a true race car. This is the gauge I like. Got everything I could possibly want to know about. And I'm going to step to the back. Just a quick look at the kind of stuff we have here. Some customers. McLarens, GT3s, R8s. Let me know what I could do to help. Tomorrow I should have the C63. Have a great day.